So you want to make 20K a month like Claim Daddy and got yourself an adjuster's license, but you don't know how to find work. In this video, I'm going to explain how new independent insurance adjusters, people that want to be just like me, can find work. Before I do that, make sure you hit that follow button to learn more about how to be an independent insurance adjuster just like Claim Daddy.
Most states won't even allow you to do the work that I do without a license, and if you live in a state that doesn't require a license, it's going to be hard to convince anyone that you understand the fundamentals and legalities without having one. That license basically says you underwent a certain degree of training or studied the subject matter enough to pass a state exam. That ensures you understand how the insurance process works. But if you wanted to be Claim Daddy and make the money that I make, then you would need to be able to go to a house like this and know all the steps behind tearing it down and building it back up. You would also need to know how to take those steps and accurately translate it into the software that we use while justifying each step along the way. You would also need to know how to properly investigate and document every type of claim, whether it's a hurricane claim, tornado claim, theft, fire, flood, and so on. And since people like me work for vendors that are contracted by insurance companies and not the company themselves, you would need to know the daily duties of the role itself. Nuances between different insurance carriers, reporting expectations, inspection processes, the differences therein, and so on. None of that is taught with your adjuster's license. So if all you have is an adjuster's license, you're probably not going to be able to find many companies that are willing to work with you. Because if you can't show you know how to do the work, would you hire you? Work itself isn't hard, but it's much harder when you don't have someone to teach you how it works, and it's especially hard if you don't have any way of showing what you've learned. Drop me a comment below if you want to learn more about independent property claims adjusting. Claim Daddy out.